Good day. We are standing in front of this beautiful church called Church of St. Cunigund. Around us, you can also see the walls. So, why the walls around the church? Namely, late 15th, beginning of the 16th century, you had a lot of the Ottoman invasion into this area of the Central Europe, and the peasants down there had no protection. The protections was around the castles, but the peasants from the villages had no protection. So around the churches that were standing up on the top hills, they were a lot of the times building this small, like enclosed area, like fortification, where the people from the villages could flee. At the same time was this Saint Kunigund, as a real woman, wife of the German Emperor Henry II, and she lived from 1980s till 1033. And at the time of the early 16th century, people were quite heavy sinners. So on certain days, if people made the pilgrimage to the Church of Saint Kunigund, they get the indulgence for 100 days. So it was really a good work, a good cause to pilgrimage to this church.